guide, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock chat on Roblox Kids and Roblox Select. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app. You can use the mobile app or the PC. After you launch it, click on this gear icon, navigate to the option settings. Now head over to the section account info. Here you're going to find the option of birthday. Below that, you're going to find the option of age verification. Click on continue. Now the verification process will begin. Roblox may ask you to verify your age. Make sure your device has a working camera because you will need it for age check. Allow Roblox to access your camera, then position your face inside the circle zone on screen and follow the movement guides. The system will take multiple photos to estimate your age securely. Once the process is complete, your age will be verified and your account may be placed into a different Roblox experience tier depending on your age group, such as Kids or Select. Now, if your account is linked to a parent account, your parent will need to help unlock chat features. In that case, go to settings, then open parental controls either in the app or in the Roblox website. Select your child's account, then scroll to communication settings. From here, you can enable experience chat or game chat depending on what options are available. If you don't have a parent account linked and your account is eligible, you can also go back to settings, then open privacy and content restrictions. Under the communication section, you can turn on experience chat or game chat directly if allowed it for your age group. In some cases, you may need to add a parent to parental controls first before chat can be fully unlocked, especially for Roblox Kids account. And that's it. Now you know how to unlock chat on Roblox Kids and Roblox Select accounts. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.